Hi everyone, welcome to my website, opalsandivy.com. Got my menu up here, homepage, blog. My Discover This tab has 3 pages. Hear This, See This, and the bookshelf. Personalized logo that I made for my site, a photography page, a contact page, and the store page that we all had to make. My website is kind of like a lifestyle blog, but also different. I don't offer lifestyle advice. I just explore things that I love and things that I'm interested in. So like with the Discover tabs, I'm exploring and talking about music, exploring and talking about film and art, and sharing the books that I read and love. And photography pages where I share my own work that I'm working on. So I'll give you a quick tour of my site. Here's the home page. We have a slider tab. Here we introduce, the purpose of my site. I explain a little bit about some of the pages on the site, an image that I took, and then here at the bottom is my featured album of the week. It's just cover art. It's not a link to the album. The blog, where I just have some posts. The Discover This tab, this was the part I was most excited about. I have a section for music, a section for film and art, and a section for books. So I'll show you my music section here. This is my album of the week. I've got the cover art. I talk about it a little bit here, and then I also have a link at the bottom for people to go and check out the music themselves. And I will switch up that album every week. And then the See This and the bookshelf are similar, just with their different subjects. My photography page is where I share and talk about my own work as I pursue studying photography. These are pictures from a trip we just took to Utah. I took out the window of our car. It's so pretty there. And then the contact page, talk a little bit about myself and my purpose of my site. For me, the biggest challenge was setting up the Google stuff was pretty tricky, and also I'm still struggling with this menu. It isn't doing exactly what I want. It's come a long way. I like that it shrinks down when I scroll, but I don't feel like it shrinks down fast enough. So that's something I'm gonna keep working on. Thanks for visiting my site, and I hope you liked it.